Phantom is a self-custody crypto wallet that was originally built for the Solana blockchain, but it also supports Ethereum and Polygon as well as Bitcoin, Base, and others. And self-custody means that you control your private keys, you are in complete control of your assets, and nobody, not even Phantom, can access your funds without your permission. Now, this added level of responsibility is comforting to some and stressful to others, so you make sure you fully understand the ins and outs of self-custody here before you move all of your assets over to something like this. Phantom launched in 2021 and quickly gained traction for its clean interface, NFT support, and easy connection to DeFi apps, especially on Solana. And since we're going to be hearing an awful lot about this Solana ecosystem, let's quickly cover now what that is too. Solana is a popular blockchain network used to send and receive digital tokens, build decentralized applications, and more. What makes Solana special is that it's fast. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, which is way more than Bitcoin or Ethereum. And in addition to being fast, it's also relatively cheap because the fees are much lower than many competing networks. So if you're exploring certain things like staking SOL or minting NFTs, then Phantom is pretty much going to be your go-to solution. You can think of it like the MetaMask for Solana, but it actually has a more friendly user interface. And if you want to learn more, I do have my full MetaMask tutorial in the corner for later.